Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, now we are going to talk about the new topic, that is isomerism in coordination compounds. So what are the different types of it? Even this is what I'm going to talk about in this topic. So now let's get started. So talking about isomers, that is, isomers are the compounds which have the same molecular formula but different arrangement of the atoms, and that's the reason that I'm going to talk about the isomerism of coordination compounds. So in that case, they are divided into two types basically. If I'm talking about the first one, that is structural isomers, and the second one is stereoisomers. So talking about the structural isomers, that is, suppose if we define, because we are going to talk about this too, that is isomers specifically in our next topic, but let us understand in brief, that is, structural isomers are those isomers which have the same molecular formula but they differ in the structure of the molecule. So talking about, that is, the structural isomers. So structural isomers are also divided into following types, of which we see the first one is ionization isomers. The second one is linkage isomer. The third is hydrate isomer. And the last is coordination isomer. So talking about this, all the isomers, we have a different topic related to this one, so therefore we will going to cover there. But now let us understand what are the different types of stereoisomers. So stereoisomers are basically divided into two types, and those two types are geometrical isomers and optical isomers. So talking about the every point in brief, so talking about the ionization isomers, that is, they have the same molecular formula, that is, whenever it has been considered as a molecule, but they have difference in their primary as well as the secondary entity. So talking about the linkage isomer, basically in this case the embedded ligands are basically used, and in that case basically the nitrogen or oxygen, suppose if I am considering that is a nitrate as a ligand, so in that case, that is, nitrogen can also link to the metal atom, or even the oxygen can link to the metal atom. So in that case, linkage isomers are the example of those. Talking about the next one, that is hydrate isomers. So therefore they differ in the water molecule that are present in the complex and outside the complex, that is the primary sphere. So talking about the coordination isomers, so that obviously even they have a difference in the molecular formula that is dependent on the complex. So talking about stereoisomers, so stereoisomers differ in the spatial arrangement of the atoms, and in that case we have, that is, geometrical isomer as well as optical isomer. So therefore this was nothing but the isomerism that could be exhibited by the coordination compound, and that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel.